I have changed 18 houses in Bombay since I moved to Bombay till now. Having a house in Bombay is a landmark in your own life. Painting, it reminds me of myself. It kind of gives away that that I am traveling to Positan on this painting. So this is West. I know a little bit of Vastu from myself. So this is West area, and this is my shoe rack. I have like dumped crazy number of shoes and heels in it. This is my bedroom. I love shades of blue.
Yeah.
So you'll see there is like this balance of very subtle ice blue and dark blue. Yes, this is the kitchen.
The cozy kitchen, cute kitchen, and the minimalist. You also see and love it.
And I'm a chai person. And this is my favorite mug collection. This is my Riyaz space. I am trained in Carnatic classical music, so this is my Riyaz space. Sa re ga ma pa ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa.
Hi guys. So we are here at काजल वसीस्ट हाउस. तो चलते हैं उनका घर का हाउस टूर लेने, देखते हैं कैसा है उनका घर और हर एक कोना बताएंगे कि क्या क्या इन्होंने अपने हिसाब से रखा है. Hi Kajal, welcome to Galata. How are you?
Good. And it's the first time I have actually invited a crew or a media house to my house. So you're the first one.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much. But I really want to start from here, the start part.
Absolutely.
Firstly, this is your own house.
Yes, this is my own house.
कुछ journey है इसके पीछे या कुछ struggle है?
Of course, बहुत struggle है. Having a house in Bombay is a landmark in your own life, I think.
True.
And this is my karma bhumi. And having a place which I can call mine.
Right.
Independent of anything else. And it's a big achievement for me in my life. And it makes me proud that I'm here today.
Right.
Having a space that belongs to you, it is, I really can't explain it, but it makes you feel so secure in life.
Right.
I have changed 18 houses in Bombay since I moved to Bombay till now. So this is
your own house.
My own
Proudly
house.
You can say that. This is my own house. I'm the landlord of this
Absolutely.
house. But yeah, I really want to ask, when was the first time you decided to come to Mumbai?
2006 is the year I came to Bombay. I think I decided in a week's time. Okay, I'm gonna go to Bombay.
What was your first decision and why did you thought कि नहीं जाना ही है, कुछ भी हो जाए?
I think Bombay is city of dreams.
Yeah.
अगर आपको लाइफ में कुछ भी करना है, which is not the typical stereotype, जो society आपके ऊपर थोप देती है, अगर उससे कुछ अलग करना है, then I think Bombay is the place. People are helping, people are loving, and people are accepting here. So I just wanted to do something with my life, not just get married. I belong to a Marwadi family. So for me, this was like this huge rebellious act at that point of time. But yeah, I made it. I came to Bombay.
But I also agree with you this thing that कि हाँ एक मुंबई है, आपको एक fly और wings सब दे देती है.
आपको accept कर लेती है. Like I have been so blessed that I got good roommates, good people around to work with. Or there were days when I would miss my family. So this whole building का culture होता है, पता है society में. If you've been living here for long, you would know. The whole Ganpati celebration, they would make you part of their own clan. So I think it's very belonging and accepting Mumbai as a city.
But जब आप first time आई थी, how much was your rent?
I used to live in a hall with a widowed lady. I used to pay 2.5 ₹2,500 as a PG rent for just to be able to sleep in the hall.
Which area?
Kandivali.
No, you're seeing in Andheri, the boss lady, just
Oh,
like.
and I have lived
All
like
over.
throughout Bombay. I've lived in Kandivali, I've lived in Worli, I've lived in Matunga, I've lived in Malad, then I've lived back in Andheri, Versova, Juhu.
Wow.
So I have
Whole
done the
Bombay.
whole Bombay
The whole
Brahman.
Bombay journey. But when was the time, or which was your favorite place among all this
Which was my favorite place
in Bombay?
in Bombay? I think Worli because it was very close to sea face. And second would be Versova.
I've stayed in South
yeah.
Bombay, so I can totally relate it.
Yeah,
क्या मजा आता है जब कोई दूसरे शहर से आप आओ और पानी के पास
बिल्कुल
आस-पास रहो तो बहुत ही मजा आता है.
हाँ.
I really want to talk to you about this space.
Yes.
ये स्पेस काफ़ी मतलब मैं देख रही थी एक छोटी छोटी चीज़ को मैं नोटिस कर रही थी जो काफ़ी मिनिमलिस्ट तरीके से आपने रखा है.
Exactly. That's
कम
the whole
तरीके से
idea.
रखा है.
Yes.
वो बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. प्लीज टॉक टू मी अबाउट दिस होल एरिया एंड किसने डेकोर का ये आइडिया दिया था. द कलर्स, that side white. I think the white is your favorite color. I
Yes.
feel so because ये white purple का combination. I really want to talk to you about this. Yeah.
So the whole idea for me was कि मुझे एकदम minimalistic घर चाहिए.
हाँ.
No false ceiling, nothing extra, no crazy things. So this is west. I know a little bit of Vastu from myself. So this is west area. So I tried to keep this as light as possible. Okay. And this is my shoe rack. I have like dumped crazy number of shoes and heels in it. And this painting, it reminds me of myself. You know, it kind of gives away that, you know, that I am traveling to Positano on this painting. So I'm probably riding a cycle in Positano somewhere. And it's a very touristic, I travel a lot.
Okay.
A lot. Like, मैं अकेले भी घूमने चले जाती हूँ. So I love this painting.
पहला सोलो ट्रिप कोई सा
पहला सोलो ट्रिप was Bombay only. 2006 झोला उठाए और चल दिए. But I think Goa in 2016-17 मुझे desperately गोवा जाना था and everybody in my circle was busy. So I'm like fuck it, मुझे जाना है मतलब मेरे को जाना है. जिसको आना है आए, नहीं आना है कोई बात नहीं. And there's this really favorite spot of mine in South Goa. So I just booked flight and मैं चल दी. And it's a very safe area for single women to travel who travel alone.
I think मुंबई आपको ना वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी दिला देती है नहीं?
Of course.
हर जगह घूमने की because I remember I'm not from Bombay and I remember coming to Bombay and the changes I see in myself only. मतलब बहुत change कर देती है आपको Bombay नहीं?
Totally.
Yeah.
Yes.
But yeah, this area.
So I live alone. So mostly I'm eating by myself. And if I have friends, yeah, they are just one or two. ज़्यादा एकदम crazy acquaintances हैं, but very close friend who I would invite them home are like just couple of them. So just 3 chairs in a small dining space. And this bottle green is like my favorite color, which complements the fabric I've chosen for the chairs.
Yeah.
So that's the whole theme here.
Yes. But किसको dedicate करती हैं ये पूरा space को आप? कोई ऐसा आइडिया है कुछ मतलब सोचा था कि नहीं यार मुझे ऐसा कुछ रखना है. I want something to be light, something like that.
Light dedication to I don't know. I think Ma Amba, my goddess. It's the whole thing is dedicated to her. If with like even in the entrance, मेरे नाम के ऊपर उनका नाम लिखा हुआ है.
I saw that. Yeah.
So it's her blessings. So and it's somewhere inspired by her also, like the whole design and look. Divinity and light. क्योंकि आप बाहर इतना chaos में काम करते हैं ना. So when you get home, you need a space that makes you feel relaxed.
Peace.
Shant.
Totally.
So even the selection of colors and furniture is very comfy, like very cozy.
Cozy. Looks like
And
we'll come to this place.
Yes.
Come.
Go ahead.
It's a very cozy place. This I am sure ये आपका favorite place होगा.
Absolutely.
पूरे घर का.
Absolutely. So
yeah. Oh, I love the combination.
Thank you.
आपने डाला है white, purple and the cushions cover. They're very pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is my favorite color basically.
Wow.
So I wanted one main piece, like you know, my slouch chair or high chair for myself. And this is again a very comfy fabric, you know, जो है, it's a 3-seater and very minimalistic, like simple and sweet kinds.
And what is the view इसके पीछे?
The view is pretty
Building.
cool. Yeah, nahin, there's empty space.
Wow.
So which is very rare in Bombay.
Hmm.
You can open it. So ये बीच में parking है, पानी का ये सब है. So there
Wow.
is quite some space
Some
between
space,
my
yes.
house and the सामने
बारिश में
वाला
तो
house.
काफी अच्छी लगती होगी
It's
यार.
pretty. It's
Right?
pretty. Yes,
Yeah.
it's pretty. And you can just stare at the sky and sit and
So
have
there we have
chai.
some college, I guess.
That's SPJ in management
SPJ in
research.
college, yes, the
Bhavans
management.
is just right behind the corner. Yeah.
Nice one.
Thank you.
But what was one thing you decided when you decided नहीं मुझे यही वाला घर लेना है?
Of course, Vastu.
हाँ.
I wanted west, east and west opening.
हाँ.
कि जब मैं घर से बाहर जाऊँ तो it's either east
हाँ.
or northeast. So this is east and west. So
Okay.
the sun rises here, it sets here. So the ventilation, the air flow, everything is just perfect here.
And was it this area favorite?
No, I think I found the connectivity very, very good.
Hmm.
This is closer to station,
Srinagar.
closer to airport. If I want to go to Juhu, I just have to take
5
left. If I want to
minutes.
go to Oshiwara, just take right.
Right.
So it's like right in the center of Andheri.
True.
So for me, I think if you just take Andheri, DN Nagar is right center. को वर्सोवा जाना है, you are straight ahead. So in terms of the way I work, I travel so much. उसके हिसाब से I felt DN Nagar was like good spot.
Right.
And looking at the metro, the way it is connected.
Right?
Yes.
Right, absolutely. I mean, lovely house. Very lovely house.
Thank you.
So finally the kitchen.
Yes, this is the kitchen.
The cozy kitchen, cute
Cozy
kitchen,
kitchen.
huh? And the minimalist. You also
Minimalist.
see and love it.
Absolutely
Love it,
minimalist.
man.
Like जितनी चीजें आप यूज करने वाले हैं उतनी ही. अगर आपको पता है कि आप ये यूज नहीं करने वाले हैं, I don't buy it. I don't store things. Like
Perfect.
मैंने कुछ ये देख लिया, मुझे पसंद आ गया, मैं रख लूंगा. मैं यूज नहीं करने वाली हूँ तो मैं नहीं लेती हूँ.
Perfect.
Like I'm not a microwave person. I don't bake or cake. So I've not stuffed my kitchen with oven and microwave and everything.
Wow.
I just have a juicer and a kettle. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
And ये क्या है? ये?
This is my क्या
I know you're a very workout fit person,
Lovely.
motivating person जो अपनी जिन को पता नहीं है जान लीजिए
वर्कआउट के बिना जीवन अधूरा है
इनका. हाँ.
So this is the supplement chart basically. So it's zinc, magnesium, NMN, it's a multivitamin, vitamin D3. So ये सब कब start किए थे, कितनी बार लेने हैं, वो सब का chart है, लिखा हुआ है. And I try
Very
to
nice.
follow it as much as possible.
हाँ.
Sometimes you miss it out.
But are you chai or a coffee person?
I'm an absolute chai person. I make great chai, which I'm gonna make sure कि ये पी के जाए यहाँ से.
Thank you so much. But you love chai, right?
I love chai.
Wow.
chai.
Chai is emotion, नहीं?
Chai is emotion. जब मैं घर पे हूँ और मुझे अपने ही हाथ की चाय पसंद है, मुझे ऐसा एक्स्ट्रा दूध वाली चाय समझ में नहीं आती. No, so it has to be in a certain way. And I'm a chai person. But if I'm traveling abroad, then it's black coffee. क्योंकि वहाँ अपने जैसी चाय कोई नहीं बना के देने वाला.
But I love how you are connected to your roots, man.
Yes.
Very good. So kitchen का भी यही है, यहाँ से भी वही है.
हाँ, यहाँ से see the whole house is open from everywhere.
Yeah, and
you know?
lights are coming from everywhere.
Yes,
That's the
lights,
best thing of house.
Lights throughout everywhere. And this is my favorite mug collection. मतलब मैं भले रहती अकेली हूँ पर चाय के कप मेरे पास ऐसा ढेर सारे हैं क्योंकि I love collecting chai mugs. It has to be unique and something very special about their colors and their structure and everything. So yeah.
But who is the first person you have invited to your place when you set up the whole house? जब खरीद लिया सब कुछ.
हाँ.
कौन था वो पहला इंसान?
I think my parents.
Yeah. Nice.
मतलब बाकी friends तो who had come, seen, helped me through the packing and unpacking वो तो थे ही मतलब they were part of the whole shifting process. But I think ऐसा officially किसी को बुलाया होता I think my parents.
कुछ यादें हैं कुछ जिससे जुड़ी हुई है ये काफी खास है.
I just like it's been
हाँ
it's recently bought. It's been a year and a half or two I think.
Oh wow.
हाँ.
We're the first one then.
And this is
अच्छा
my
this is a puja room. Wow, this is aesthetic.
Thank you.
इसको रखा आपने aesthetically ना?
Yes, आप आ सकते हैं. This is my Riyaz space. I am trained in Carnatic classical music, so this is my Riyaz space. This is my mandir for Ma. And this is my book rack. मतलब these are the books. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ती हूँ मैं, but I'm a selective reader, but when I read, I really read. So that's my book collection.
These are the real plants, right?
Yes, these are the real plants. All the plants in my house are real. No fake.
No artificials,
Just like me. No space for fake things. जो है जैसा है ऐसा ही है. Simple but real. And this painting of Sadhguru, this is a gift from a friend of mine. Wow. And I really find it very magnificent. A handmade painting है. Wow. Yeah. So this is the.
And harmonium रखा है या बजाते?
हाँ, ये हारमोनियम रखा हुआ है.
संसारे का.
सरे गरे गम गम पम पध पध नि धनि सा नि धनि ध पध पम पम गम गरे गरे सा सरे गरे गम गम पम पध पध नि धनि सा नि धनि ध पध पम पम गम गरे गरे सा
Wow, very nice, yeah.
Thank you.
How did you build up this? बचपन से ही था?
I think I learned it when I was in class 5. 5th standard se I was, my interest was towards music and singing and dancing. So my dad enrolled me in this Carnatic classical music.
I mean, even I have learned, but मैं भूल चुकी हूँ. मतलब बजा सकती हूँ, but मैं भूल चुकी हूँ और मैं हारमोनियम लेके कैरी नहीं कर सकती. But I loved how you kept from your place here या रख कर बजा रही हैं. Very good, very good.
It's I think अगर आप if you're really music lover, I think this becomes part of you.
Yeah.
You become a unit with your riyaz. आप अगर guitarist हैं, pianist हैं, violinist हैं, जो भी हैं, the instrument becomes part of you. So true. That's that.
So we'll come to the next room.
Yes, चलिए.
And this is your?
And this is my bedroom. I love shades of blue.
Yeah.
So you'll see there is like this balance of very subtle ice blue and dark blue. And it took like, I think 3 to 4 days of rounds at Bhiwandi furniture store to find this bed. I wanted something iconic but like not too stuffy, कि आपने उसको अगर रूम में डाल दिया तो एकदम ऐसा भरा भरा लगे रूम. I wanted the space to feel कि है जगह है.
True.
फर्नीचर से नहीं भर देना है.
True.
So.
And this is your area?
Yes, this is my area.
A girl's favorite area.
Yes, absolutely. And if you see, that is also like very minimalistic. आप मेरा basic makeup और hair और उसका जो भी सामान है सब उस छोटे से cubicle में है. And that's that.
You like doing makeup?
Yeah.
है ना?
It has evolved, but मैं minimalist कर सकती हूँ. मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है. उतना basic होना चाहिए जो एकदम over the top part of the job, but I think otherwise I like it minimalistic.
Okay, we'll quickly play a game.
Yeah.
Called Quick Rapid Fire of House. ठीक है?
Okay.
What's the most sentimental item that here with it is that you would never part with?
My puja room.
Who was the first person? अच्छा ये तो मैंने पूछ लिया. Any celeb friend whose reaction to your home really made you smile?
Celeb friend?
हाँ, or any normal friend?
Yeah, I surprised it to my best friend. Her name is Sudipta.
हाँ.
So after I finished decorating my house and furnishing it, I invited her, and I didn't tell her that कि ये सब हो गया है. So I just invited her, and she was like, "Wow, baby, I am so proud of you." And her words do mean a lot to me. Yeah.
When you look around the space, what part of your journey does it reminds you the most?
My last house where I was living in Juhu, it was on ground floor, and now on 14th floor. So it reminds me that you can. you can
do it.
you can do it.
It's
Yes.
it's possible.
Possible.
Everything is possible,
Everything is
right?
possible.
What does home mean to you now
Hmm.
after everything you have experienced in life?
I think peace. That's, and if you see, the whole theme of my house is peace.
It's true.
I mean, I don't know if you all felt it, but the moment I step in this space, I'm at peace. आपको पता नहीं आप महसूस हुआ या
Like
नहीं हुआ,
feel
but
हुआ.
हाँ, that's the
The
whole theme of
minimalist
this house.
part मतलब बहुत ही शांति है.
हाँ,
This you
हाँ.
can feel here, to be
Yeah.
honest. Yeah.
Because हमारा काम ऐसा है, we are always either on stage, either meeting lot of people, either
Yeah.
shooting, which is
Hmm.
just full of chaos. तो जब आप घर आते हैं, you need that peace, serenity, and ऐसा वाली feeling.
True. And finally, a quick message for everyone watching your home right now.
Okay. Home is your own space. It reflects you as a person who you are. And if you have a dream of having a house, don't give up on it. And just let it reflect you.